Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm creating a look using the Gashi's Magic and Matte palette. I'm using my practice board to do this. I have linked the details for this practice board that you can get from Amazon. So आज मैं Gashi's का palette यूज़ कर रही हूँ, Matte and Magic palette, and यहाँ पे एक very simple look create करने लगी हूँ. बस ये एक palette है and एक glitter जो मैं यूज़ करूँगी. So यहाँ पे पहले मैं सिर्फ थोड़ा सा जो पूरा प्रैक्टिस मैं इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा पाउडर लगा रही हूँ, इससे थोड़ी सी शाइन चली जाती है. So before starting, I'm just adding a little bit of loose powder all over the practice board. This is just a tip for you guys if you've got it or if you're going to be ordering it. It just makes sure that everything kind of like blends in smoothly and also takes away a little bit of the shine. So I'm taking that first neutral color, keeping it focused on the outer corners and just blending this out. So यहाँ पे मैंने बस ये न्यूट्रल कलर यूज़ किया है एंड आउटर कॉर्नर्स पे लगा के इसको ब्लेंड कर दूँगी. आउटर कॉर्नर्स पे मुझे ज़्यादा कलर चाहिए, इनर कॉर्नर्स पे कम. So this is really good to use to just practice your blending skills and things like that, and obviously then you can start doing creative looks as well. Then I'm going in with a slightly deeper colour now. It's like a mauvey colour, and I'm going to keep this on the outer corners below the first eyeshadow that we've used. So outer corners पे ये अभी जो outer री है यहाँ पे मैं ये dark shade लगा दूँगी. जो पहला shade है उससे थोड़ा सा कम obviously रख रही हूँ and outer corners पे ज़्यादा focus कर रही हूँ. ये जो प्रैक्टिस मास्क है, अगर आपके पास मॉडल वगैरह आई नो बहुत मुश्किल होती है मिलने के लिए, तो अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस करना है तो आप इसके ऊपर बहुत आसानी से प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं अपने ब्लेंडिंग स्किल्स एंड ऑल्सो क्रिएटिव लुक्स जो आपने क्रिएट करने होते हैं. So once I've blended everything in, I'm just using a flat brush now, and I've gone in with like a matte pink toned colour, and I'm adding this to the whole eyelid now. So I'm just going to press this in and add this on just to cover everything and making sure that I'm blending it into the outer corners as well. So यहाँ पे मैंने ये एक matte shade लिया है, पूरे lid पे एक flat brush से मैं लगा रही हूँ and then make sure कर रही हूँ कि थोड़ा सा overlap कर दे जो outer corners पे भी मैंने colour लगाया था. So the star of the show is the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid. I love this. I've got this in all the shades and I absolutely love using this on my brides. So this particular one, I've got the shade linked here as well, and there is a link in the description where you can buy it from Sephora from Look Fantastic. And there is a discount code as well. You can get 20% off if you add my discount code. This one just looks different. If I've done it on a pink shadow now, so it looks different, and when you add it on a different colour, it looks different. So it's really, really pretty colour. So I'm just tapping this on now. It looks like it's not gone on properly, but what it is just where the light's catching it. So when I turn the mask, you can see that actually all the bits are covered, and there is actually eyeshadow everywhere. But I absolutely love this. It just elevates any look that you've done. तो ये मैंने डेजल शेडो यूज़ किया, ये मैक का है. अगर आप यूके में हैं तो आप मेरा डिस्काउंट कोड यूज़ कर सकते हैं एंड 20% ऑफ आपको मिल जाएगा. डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने ये लिंक कर दिया है अगर आप लेना चाहते हैं. इसके हर कलर जो है शेड जो है मुझे पसंद है. और ये पर्टिकुलर जो कलर मैंने यूज़ किया है ये पिंक पे अभी ऐसे लग रहा है. अगर ब्लू के ऊपर लगाओगे तो थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लगेगा. तो हर आई शेडो पे ना ये लुक डिफरेंट इसकी आ जाती है. सो इसको बस टैपिंग मोशन से मैंने लगा दिया है, ये बाद में ड्राई हो जाएगा. So I've just added that on, and then I'm adding my lashes. Again, I mentioned in my last video as well, when you're adding lashes, make sure you let the glue go tacky before adding them on here. Just take your time. It is a little bit fiddly, but eventually they do stick on, and then they don't fall off. So there was a little bit of a gap here, so I've just added on a little bit of my eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to go back in a little bit with that glitter that I added just to finish off the eyes. Now you could add eyeliner here, you could smoke out the eyeliner if you wanted to, completely up to you, but I've left it quite simple in this particular eye makeup. And again, you don't have to go as high as I've gone with the eyeshadows. You can keep them just to the lids as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Very quick one here, but it's just easier for me to show you a lot of these looks on the practice makeup mask. So I hope you're enjoying this tutorial as well. And inshallah, I will see you soon. Take care, Allah Hafiz.